talking, even our clients can disappear from the market. You got Wi-Fi now? Imerudi. Mine is there. Imerudi. How are you, man?
How are you? You're good? How are you? Fine. Yes. How are you? How are you?
You know when you kept smiling, I thought I want to push you.
Mr. President.
Come back some more. That's what's it. I see.
You requested that from him?
Yeah. I said the clerk to come and tell us.
No.
That's very much.
should also be including the party we are no, that's the other business.
And the decision was made on this structure. But when it was directed from it was never made. The decision has never been reversed on us.
Tell me what you want to tell me. Go to Kenyatta. Because I can hear you. Yes. Have you gone to? Are you at Kenyatta?
That's why I respect people like Kebwana. Because of the essence during Moi's time. You remember Kebwana, we used to walk with him from Parklands to Maine in his kind of checked coat.
When he became a governor, he would go to meet the people
Oh, the triad.
with his constituents and talk about the issue. And everything was as the days Good morning, Your Honor. We are here as several lawyers as well as doctors on a matter of national interest where we need to address yourself. And there are two doctors and one lawyer who have spent the weekend behind bars despite the existence of orders of anticipatory bail. This morning they have been brought to this court precinct. They are in the car park and there are no charges that have been brought against them. We know that there is a process that has to go on for the prosecution to decide whether they are charged. But before that is done, we are coming to you because your jurisdiction extends throughout the court precincts, in fact throughout the Republic. And because they have been brought to this court precincts, we are asking that the court direct the police officers to bring those three suspects to sit, therefore, to sit in the court as they await the decision on whether charges are going to be brought against them. If charges are brought against them, we believe we will deal with them in this court. If no charges are brought against them, then they should be released from the court. This is a requirement under Article 49 and 50 of the Constitution of Kenya. So we are asking, because we are aware that the charges have not been registered, that the suspects who are in the car park be brought to the court. That is our request. I'm addressing you as a Senior Counsel Charles Kanjama. I'm present with two other Senior Counsel for Dr. Obwaka. That is Nelson Harvey, a former President of the Law Society of Kenya, and James Ocheng Oduor. And the other arrested persons also have legal representation. And I request the court kindly to give a minute to each of them to address you before you can give whatever guidance you so consider. We know there is no file before you, but we know that even without a file, you have the authority over these precincts on matters of criminal practice. We so pray. Yes. It will be hard. Yes.
Everybody has covered. Your Honor, the prosecutor who was assigned this file is Hilary Siao. And it is prudent the office of the DPP takes charge of their business. And this is not the first time this is being done. Your Honor can direct Hilary Siao to come here so that we get directions on what they want to do. It has been done before.
Your Honor, sorry. On behalf of Mr. Kinyanjui, who is a very senior advocate in this matter, I'm together with his brother, Mr. Stanley Kinyanjui, Clifford Beta, and the others. Your Honor, what we are asking, the police holding any suspect, the DPP has no role until they have approved the charge sheet. It is the officer in command of this region who is directly under you, because they are in a police cell, a police vehicle. You ask the OSPD in charge to appear here and explain the circumstances of how they are keeping people and who are doctors and lawyers inside a booth of a car. If all that my seniors are saying is that let them be brought here, we will be very comfortable. The country will be very, very comfortable until when the ODPP decides. That is the only question we are asking. Purely administrative, not judicious. Thank you.
If you indulge the court, give us time, we will find out the correct position.
Or Your Honor, you know that this thing called the Dagdalian approach to matters, it can never find comfort in the current constitutional dispensation. For instance, if we're telling you right now, the rights of these 4 people are being violated, the court cannot say it is helpless. We were here 4 years ago with Dr. Manduku in similar circumstances. And I remember it must have been Lawrence Mugambi then as a chief magistrate. He ordered that he be brought here. And I mean, these are doctors, about 200. So, Your Honor, just listen to me. The request is simple. It's not unreasonable. Where's the prosecutor here? There's somebody from the office of the DPP. He's been here. Let him go and call Hilary Siao. Let him cascade the message to the investigating officer. And if that cannot assuage our concern, Your Honor, let's walk to the car park where these 4 are. I've been here before. They brought TJ Kajwang with these stories. We ended up having him somewhere in Ngong. So, Your Honor, this is just some little advice. Please, just listen to me. Find a way in which we can stop the suffering of these 4. That's our humble request. Thank you.
Your Honor, before the court adjourns, just to re-emphasize what my colleague Harvey has said, once a prosecutor is found, if the court prefers that we walk to the car park, we are happy to do so with yourself.
Thank you.
Very well. Most obliged.
Much obliged. Doctors are just watching.
I'm about to leave this serious to proceed with this matter.
Serious? Are these guys going to be rushed to Kahau? If they fail here,
The way it's going,
they'll rush to JKIA or Kahau.
That's why we need someone at the
That's what I'm saying.
with them,
To be with them.
telling us what is happening.
Yes, yes, yes. yes.
And the organization. Excuse me, the doctor? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Sometimes you transfer patients from Aga Khan to Nairobi Hospital to